Hello YouTube, I'm THACH and today I'm going to eat Vietnam street food in Cambodia because the border was closed during COVID-19. That's why I cannot hang out for breakfast or for Vietnam street food. And I'm looking in Cambodia also have. So I cannot wait to share food with you right now. Okay, so we have to approach road, go inside there, buy chai mai. Bún bò à? Bún bò. Ồ, nên bún bò đá. Ăn bán bướm. Okay, I already make order and now the chef is cooking for us. And yes, that is pho. I order pho. Ồ,
lò mắm á,
ba
lò mắm,
thịt lò mắm, miên, phở,
bánh sông thịt thấy,
bánh sông thịt thấy, chả gió. Ok, cái lại quán này cứ miên sơn này tên đôi giờ còn kẹp những cái miên bánh sông, miên bún mắm, miên bún bò quê, miên phở, và miên chả gió, miên pate, chẳng kiểu lượng miên phở thấy cái ngay cứ miên bài điệt và bàn tay nhâm từ nhâm về phở. Okay, that is the restaurant style when you make order and they have to recook it because pho it is very delicious when you eat with it hot. So I like that. It is look incredible. Okay, and my mouth is become juicy flowing right now, so I cannot wait to taste it. And the food is come. Oh, look too hot. I'm hungry like right now. And oh, there's on the table here. Phở. Bánh phở. And in table they have like I think steak and spoon. Oh, green onion and that is onion with this is kind of like beef balls and yes, that is, you know what is this? It is beef and it is kind of like noodle, Vietnam noodle. Okay, so I'm gonna go taste with the soup first. It is hot. Oh wow, amazing. Oh yes, it tastes good and it smells like onion. The onion on the pot, and it is a little bit oily because I think they add some oils. LC oils with the green onion. And okay, they have some fresh vegetable on the table. That is the bean sprout, so I'm gonna add some bean sprout first. And that is, I think, local herb. So put it in. Maybe like this. Okay, and the last one is I'm gonna squeeze lemon. make sense. Oh, lovely. I'm gonna go with noodle and fruit. A slab bit on top. Oh yeah. Oh yes, amazing. The beef is so tender and it is a little bit sour because I just ate some lamb, and yes, it is good. Then we eat with a local herb and the bean sprout inside. Oh wow, amazing dish. Oh yes, that is. You can find the interesting sauce on the table. That is chili sauce. I'm gonna add some chili sauce in there and a little bit on the cup. That is soybean sauce. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit sugar. The last one I need to add like a chili oils that I'm looking for. Without chili oils, the food is nothing flavor. Okay, I'll mix it. When you see the chili oils, it is like a strong chili, but actually it is not too strong. It is a little bit spicy and it is good. Okay, I'm gonna go with before. Okay, I have to add some bean sprout more. And this pho is the original from Vietnam. The flavor is the same in Vietnam. Some fish sauce. Oh. Oh. It is more flavor when you eat with the sauce. And the sauce, that is chili sauce and soybean sauce, and I add a little bit fish sauce inside, so it is a little bit salty, and add some lamb, so it is a little bit sour also, but it is tastes good. Oh yeah. I like it. The noodle is so tender. That is gonna go and pour the slab dip on top. Oh, they pour down again. Yes. And add green onion on top. Like this. Oh yeah. Wow, the people is so good. It is kind of like mascarpone, and I think they add some ingredient on there. Maybe they add some garlic, sugar, and pepper. I smell it. I can smell it. Thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget to give me thumbs up, click subscribe if you're new here. See you in the next video.